Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you all to my session once again. So let's go through it. The absolute refractive indices of glass and water are 3 by 2 and 4 by 3 respectively. If the speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, calculate the speed of light in vacuum and water. Alright, so here in this question we are given three things. First is the refractive index of glass, that is mu g, that is 3 by 2. Then we are given refractive index of water, which is 4 by 3, and also the speed of light in glass, which is given as 2 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. So the formula used here is that refractive index of a medium is equal to speed of light in vacuum upon speed of light in the medium. Please remember that the refractive index of medium, that is this medium and this medium, should be the same, and here it should always be vacuum. So what is being asked in the first question is calculate the speed of light in vacuum. Alright, so we are knowing the refractive index of glass. So mu g we are knowing. Speed of light in vacuum, let's just say it as Vc, and then we are knowing the speed of light in glass, which means that 3 by 2 speed of light in vacuum is what we have to find out, and then 2 into 10 raised to the power 8. That means speed of light in vacuum is equal to 3 by 2 into 2 into 10 raised to the power 8. So it is getting cancelled, and we are going to get the value as 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. So that's the first part. Now we have to find out the speed of light in water. So we should know the refractive index of water, which we are knowing, then the speed of light in vacuum Vc, which we have just calculated, and then the speed of light in water, which we have to calculate. So it is given to us as 4 by 3. This value we have just calculated, and speed of light in water is what we have to calculate. So Vw can be written as 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 upon 4. So the value is going to be 9 by 4 into 10 raised to the power 8. Solving it further, we're going to get it as 2.25 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. So the important thing here is that just don't get confused with the formula. Pay importance to the small details and you'll be able to do well. So thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.